This is the main screen of the application. So let's see how we can use this as an omni-channel. So I'm creating an item. I'll go to the item card, inventory item card. I want to add new. If I click here, I'll add new. I will just use the new item, Tata. So I have an image of the product. So I'll add an image of this product which I want to sell on my e-commerce portal, as well as which I am selling in my retail store. Have added a description for this. I am just taking an example of this product. I don't know what exactly the price is, so I am expecting this at 89 rupees. Save. So if I want to add a tax on this, I have option of adding the tax. So I will say GST 5%. This application also help you in managing your HSN code report as well. I am ready to sell this product on my POS counter using my barcode as well as one click integration. I'll click here plus drop down on WooCommerce. This is my own e-commerce portal I want to sell on. I can select the category. Okay, create a product. This will create a own product on your e-commerce portal, so there is no absolute dependency on any third party. I'm just going to my e-commerce portal. This is the product which I added. I'm selling Tata Tea Gold for this price. Disclaimer, this is purely for an example. I am really don't know on the pricing. Okay, this is a description which I want, and all these items are coming from the e-commerce portal from the application. If some customer place an order, he can check out as a customer. If he check out and place an order, he can key in all his details. Okay, if payment gateway is integrated, directly he will do the payment, or he can also place a COD, cash on delivery. So he receives an application, this invoice 6267. So once this is done, in the application, the seller, he can go to the orders, manage orders, and he can pull all the orders which he has received through e-commerce portal. So this will help him to convert his offline store into online store as well. This will help you to create a batch, select my WooCommerce. I am using API, import report. So all the orders which I received from my e-commerce Tata, just now I created the item, and some customer with name of Hanman has placed the order, have received it. So for my example, let me unselect this and delete all other orders. I will want to convert this into my sales order. One click, it will convert into sales order. So the shop holder, so he can go to the sales order, he can see what exactly the customer has placed the order. Hanmant, see, this is a product which we just created and uploaded into my e-commerce portal, and also immediately I received an order from my customer. This has been developed in terms of helping the mid-scale companies, small companies to go online to support their operations and no dependency on anyone. Thank you.